Smart steps for tenants to avoid a rental bond battle. A large slice of Australia's 2.4 million rental households have been caught up in bond battles. MoneysaverHQ Kochie's advice on investing in property, the pros and cons. Rental bond insurance and payment plan company BondSure says government statistics show that more than half of renters don't recover their full bond when they move, and there is evidence of bond disputes rising. However, there are some simple ways to improve your chances of getting all of your money back, says BondSure Chief Executive Officer Paul Milet. Firstly, tenants should thoroughly assess the initial property inspection report provided by the property manager to make sure that any damage or issues that could be contentious in the future are properly noted and photos or video are stored for future reference, he says. This step is often overlooked during the stress of moving, Milet says. Disputes about cleaning are one of the most common causes of rental bond battles. This can be quite deflating for tenants who may have spent long days cleaning a property, only to be told it's not up to the standard expected, Milet says. Often this is because obscure areas of the property have been missed the first time around by the tenant or the cleaners. A good way to minimize this risk is to employ cleaners that have been recommended by the property manager or that offer a legitimate 100% bond-back guarantee. Milet says tenants should quickly notify the property manager if an issue arises before it manifests into bigger problems. He says they should go into a lease with the mindset of treating the property like it was their own and understand that tenants, landlords and property managers can have different expectations and perceptions. Realestate.com.au says tenants need to be reasonable about damage. If you broke the shower screen because you were being careless, you need to replace it, it says. The process for bond disputes varies from state to state. If you are not sure what steps you should take, consider contacting your state's tenants union. Don't withhold rent in anticipation of bond issues. You have to pay rent to live in the property. The bond is a separate issue. Not paying your rent can see you end up on a tenant blacklist, realestate.com.au warns.